Electric substation is a geographical place prohibited for common people for entry and used to reduce voltage level from its existing value to some lower value. Both of these voltages, that are incoming and outgoing voltages, are standardized levels of voltages. These voltages are 765, 400, 320, 220, 110, 66, 33, 22, 11 kV or 440 volts. This reduction of voltage from some higher value to some other lower value is required to increase the overall efficiency of electrical network. We know from basics of electrical engineering that voltage must be stepped up after generation at some highest possible value, and after transmitting electric energy to a large distance, voltage must be reduced for distribution purpose. This configuration of generation, transmission and distribution also expects proper selection of location of substation for energy efficiency. The location should be as away from generating point as possible and simultaneously should be as close to utilization point as possible. This is a first criteria for selection of location. The second criteria is it should be away from dense locality so that common people are kept away from entering the substation. Last and third criteria is road connectivity and water availability must be ensured. This last criteria is expected for transporting equipment to be installed at substation site. It is well known to us from basic electrical engineering that three-phase generation, transmission and distribution is theoretically proved and practically accepted way of dealing with electricity. Therefore, all equipment used for generation, transmission and distribution is three-phase AC equipment. Substation is a location where voltage is either stepped up or stepped down before transmission and before distribution respectively. It is very common to represent all transmission and distribution lines by a single line that stands for three or four wires. These single lines terminate on equipment ends. Generator is a starting point for such a single line diagram and distribution network is an end point for single line diagram. Equipment that connects one end of single line to start of other single line is represented on single line diagram. Generally, substation has got one or more incoming feeders and one or more outgoing feeders. Main equipment of substation is a transformer. Further, transformers may be more than one. Each incoming feeder has certain rating in terms of maximum kVA power that feeder may deliver. Similarly, outgoing feeders also have a rated capacity for delivering power. Substation is constructed using strong and high compound wall and also provided with barbed wire on top of it so that no one may enter the substation area. Main and one additional gate may be provided for official entry of equipment and people. All substation equipment is either installed on plinth or on top of towers. In this way, all equipment is electrically disconnected from earth when equipment is yet to provide with proper earth connection through earth bus. Apart from equipment, all the ground area within substation compound is covered with gravel, that is 20 to 63 mm of stones, so that grass may not grow on ground surface. Producing earth grid within substation is a different topic that needs explanation of how earth pits are created. For time being, we will consider that earth point is available at nearer point of equipment of substation. On the other hand, equipment of substation has earth pad to be connected to that nearer earth point. Towers and plinths are concrete foundations made to provide firm support to equipment, but their foundation bolts or bars are not produced to give good earth contact with minimum electrical resistance. Therefore, separate earth point is connected with earth pad of equipment. If we enumerate various parts of equipment of substation, then those would be overhead conductors, isolators, pin insulators, string insulators, bus bars, circuit breakers, current transformers, potential transformers, power transformers, lightning arresters, earthing pits, earth bus bars, control panels, bank of batteries, and control cables. This equipment must be specified depending upon size of substation. As it was pointed out earlier that substation may have more than one incoming or outgoing feeders and may also have more than one transformer. Sum of rating of all transformers is the rating of substation that is measured in MVA. Some substations may have power factor improving system that consist of bank of capacitors equally distributed among all phases.